Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today, I'll be sharing an age old recipe of mine called Lemon Soufflé, a light and airy, melt in the mouth dessert that is easy to make at home. To begin, soak 2 teaspoons of gelatin in 6 tablespoons of water. Mix well and keep aside. Take 2 eggs and separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. To prepare the custard, gently whisk the egg yolks in a bowl. Add in a cup of powdered sugar and mix. Move it to a double boiler and continue to whisk until the eggs are cooked. Add in half a teaspoon lemon zest and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Continue to cook, making sure the eggs don't curdle. If you don't have a double boiler, fill a saucepan with water about a few inches and place another bowl on top. Keep the heat at the lowest. The bowl should not touch the water. Once the custard is ready, it should coat the back of the spoon. Finally, add in the gelatin and cook for another minute or two. Move the bowl onto another large bowl filled with ice. Keep stirring occasionally until the custard cools down completely. In the meantime, gently whip 1 cup of cream. Whisk the egg whites until they are stiff and form soft peaks. To prepare the souffle, take the cooled down custard in a large bowl. Add in the whipped cream and mix gently. Finally, add in the egg whites and fold them in gently until well incorporated. Do not overfold or the mixture will be runny. Spoon the mixture into serving bowls and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours until set, preferably overnight. The cold lemon souffle is ready to serve. Top it with a garnish of your choice. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.